See here, the next part will be our practice set number 55. In the first video I explained what is done by the frequency table and how to make the frequency table. And here for making a frequency table compulsory you have to make a 3 column. Then I will take one by one example. See that the height of the 30 children in the class is given in the centimeter. Draw the frequency table. See this you want to draw the frequency table. They are given the height of 30 children they are given. Then here if you see this minimum number first you find out. They are given here 131 is a starting one, and a maximum number here you see it in this given information that maximum height will be coming 140 centimeter. Then you write this all number in ascending order in a first column, and the second column will become for our tally mark, and third column will become for our frequency. Then for our first example how to make the frequency table I will show you. See here I make the first column for height in a centimeter you write, second column you write here for tally mark, and third column you write it for your frequency. Then here write this all the height in a ascending order, that I am getting here 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139 and 140. Then now afterwards I want to count it. Then here using this information I want to count. First I want to count out about 131. Then see here 131 I am counting. 131 is coming how many times? One time they are coming. Again the 131 is coming second time. Again 131 will see here third time they are getting. Then here what to write? 3 vertical column, and a frequency will become here 3. Now you go for our 132 counting. Then 1, 2, 3. Okay, then 132 is coming only the 3 time. Then 3 vertical line and 3 will come. Again you count for our 133. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then here see 133 is getting here 5 times, then 4 vertical line, and fifth one is a cross one. Then here you write 5. Then this way you count 134, that is coming 3 times. You write a frequency 3 and tally mark 3. 135 you count here 3 times, frequency will come 3. 136 will coming 2 times, 2 tally mark and 2. And 137 you count it 2 times, tally mark will here 2. And again 138 will be coming only 1 time, that is 1. And 139 is coming 3 times, then their tally mark is 3 and frequency is also 3. And 140 if you count, they are coming 5 times, means 4 vertical line and fifth one cross, that frequency will come 5. And finally what to do? We have to add all this frequency, that will give us the total frequency capital N is equal to 30. That whatever they are given the 30 children, this must be matched with our total frequency N. If they are both are matching, then that time you are counted correctly and your frequency table is here correct one. Then this way you have to go for our second one example also. See in the second one example they are given certain colony there are 50 families, and a number of people in every family they are given. See here total 50 families. Number of family member they are given here 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 3 like that way. Then in this one you first you see here in each family minimum number is how much. Then if you will get it, observe it, there here minimum family members is here 1 and a maximum family number is here 5. Then here also you have to make a here 3 column for our frequency table for our second example. Then you first you make here first column number of members, second column will come here tally mark, and a third column will become here frequency. Then you write this number of members in ascending order, that will come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And afterward using this information we have to count it, that one number is coming only 1 time, therefore tally mark is 1 and their frequency is a 1. If you count a 2, 2 will be coming here 13 times, means here see 5 groups will come 2, and the afterward 3 numbers, that is a 3 tally mark, that is total 13 will become here. For 3 members if you count it, that will be getting here 16, means here 5 groups will come here 3, and that 16th one will come only 1 tally mark, that total frequency will come here 16. Then 4 members will be counted, that will be getting here 13. Then 5 groups will become here 2, and a 3 tally mark, that will be getting here 13. That 5 members will be coming here, total 7. In that one, 5 group 1 will come, and 2 tally marks, that is a 5 plus 2, that is 7 will be there. Then afterwards what to do, you add all this frequency, that is the total frequency capital N is equal to, I am getting 50, and this 50 will be matched with whatever they ask here in your question, 50 families, that both are matching, means your tally marks and frequency table is the right one. Okay, like that way you go for our third one. See, in the third one they are given the dice forecast 40 times and each score noted given below. Draw frequency table. See, when you are playing the dice, that time you are know it that the different score will be come out, that they are given here, that 3 2 5 6 4 2 3 1, like that way they are given. Then using this information you want to make it here one frequency table. Then first column will become here number on the upper face of the dice will come, second column will come our here tally mark, and third column will be for frequency. Then here minimum score is here 1, then maximum score is here 6. Then you write this score in ascending order, that is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and you count it. 1 is coming how many time, 2 is coming how many time, and 3 is coming how many time, and according to that you make the group of 5 as well as you make the tally mark, and here you write their frequency table, and finally you have to do their total frequency N is equal to how much. Then here this third one you can do this way, and the fourth one example is there, that is a number of chapati that 30 children in a hostel need at every meal is a given below, and make the frequency table for this one score they are given. See, number of chapati that 30 children in a hostel they are given here. See, some students will eat 3 chapati, some students will eat 2 chapati, some students will eat here 5 chapati, like that way. Here minimum score is here 2 is there, and a maximum score is here 5, and using this information here also you have to make one frequency table, and the first column will come here for number of chapati, second column will come for your tally mark, and third column will become for your frequency. Then here also you will see here how many student or how many children will eat here 2 chapati, that I am getting here information 9. Then here 5 group and this 4 tally, that will get here 9. Like that way for number of chapati for 3 will get here 10. Here 5 2 group will come. 4 chapati group will come here, total 8, means 5 group 1 and the 3 tally, that will be coming 8. And 5 chapati, number of 5 chapati, that I am getting here only the 3, means here 3 vertical tally marks will come. And finally you have to add all this frequency, that will get a total frequency N is equal to 30. And this both must be matched, then only your frequency table is correct. Then see, this is about the all the practice set number 55, and this is one of the way you can find there